to wake us up because, you know, we are sleepyheads.
And straight away, the first thing we do is go on our phones because society has messed us up that much.
But of course, we are checking the notifications that you guys give us on the comments down below. And ooh, what have we found here?
A few funny memes.
Oh, that's quite funny. And I'm pretty sure I'm about to find something funny.
There you go.
And yeah.
And now that we've finished with our notification, it's time to go for a quick 5-minute snooze before the day starts.
Yep, I agree.
Next step is brushing your teeth, of course. Some do it differently, but this is how we do it. Brush, 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 brush.
And of course, we need the electric toothbrush because that's just how we live. And of course, you know, sharing is caring. So here we go, guys. I'm about to brush my teeth.
Yep. Don't judge.
Don't judge. Of course, don't judge, guys. But this is just the way we do it. It's our morning routine. And this is how we do it every single day. And I pretty much enjoy our routine too, don't you?
Yeah, I love it. Yep,
hey,
as you can see, he's getting deep down under. And passing it back to me, and we're brushing. We're brushing.
Brushing, brushing, brushing.
And we are still brushing? Yep, we're still brushing.
And I think I'm kind of getting annoyed that you're not giving it to me anymore.
So, I decided to share.
I think it's time to share because what did I say, guys? Sharing is
caring. Oh, your turn. Yay, clean my teeth. Yay, I love it, I love it, I love it.
And I think you
not disgusting at all.
Not disgusting, not unhygienic. That's just the way we love it.
We save water, we save toothpaste, we save electricity on that toothbrush. We save... And I think we washed our face and now we're drying our faces. Since I'm wearing a towel.
I need a towel, so I'm going to use your towel. And, you know, this is how we save so many things in life, guys.
There you go.
Nice. And easy.
Yep.
Okay, guys, so after brushing my teeth and washing my face, obviously, if you have a beard, you guys know that you have to brush your beard. And this major key for a guy that has a beard, you got to make sure everything stands up, make sure every brow, everything.
My hair is very long. I have to, you know, do some mad tricks. And my brush is stuck. Oh, boy. Oh, God. Yank it out. That's how you get your knots out. And we're back being cute. I'm brushing my hair right now. And, yep, flexing, flexing, flexing.
This is important. So what do? We do a little workout. Yep. Pump those weights. Make sure every part of every body is flowing of blood.
Come on, girl. Oh, God. Finish. Breakfast. So this is obviously when we have to rush and go somewhere. That Cheerio, yeah? Cheerios.
Cheerios is the most important part of the day, guys, because it's obviously kickstart our routine in the morning, of course.
High in fiber, I think. Don't quote me.
One for me, one for her, one for me, one for her, one for me, one for her, of course one for me, one for her. Put it there, one for her, one for me. Oh, a little bit of salt bait. Anyways, one for me, one for her, one for me, and there you have it.
As you can see right now, me and Abdullah here enjoying our breakfast. It's nice, it's calm, with our 5 Cheerios and milk.